Hi everybody, I'm Dennis. You saw the thumbnail, so you know what this video is all about. But before we get to that, I just wanted to give a personal thanks to everyone watching. I know it's cliche to say, but when I first sat down and made my first video in this shed, I was just having fun. And I'm still having fun, but now there's more than 100,000 of you out there watching, and I'm just blown away. So thanks to everyone who's out there who's liked and commented on the videos, subscribed of course. Who knew that making books would land with so many people, and I'm glad it did. And for those of you who have contributed to the channel by buying me a coffee or on PayPal, thank you so much. It really does help me make more videos and make them better. So anyway, I just wanted to give a personal thanks before we get to the unboxing. It's just a short film just to share with you my, my joy and excitement. I'm going to get back to working on this book. You'll see this project soon. And until then, enjoy the video.